welcome to a study related or exam related video. I have been uploading fashion hauls for the last 3 days back to back and सारे videos के नीचे I read so many of your comments saying कि आपके exams आ रहे हैं. So I thought कि बाकी सारे fashion hauls को pause पे डालना है and I have to help you out with that exam situation. So today I'm going to help you of how you can make a schedule and how you can plan your board exam. So I hope you find this helpful and let's begin. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to make a timetable for your exams. Personally एक planner जैसे बनाएंगे but in your notebook so that आपको एक ही जगह पे सब कुछ मिल जाएगा and you don't have to refer to 2-3 different notebooks. So there are 2 different ways in which I would do this. I'll show you both the ways on each of this page. The first one is a very simple grid जो एक typical planner में आता है. We're going to make 7 columns and 5 rows. To make all the columns equidistant, मैं हमेशा line को measure करती थी. And the closest multiple of 7 that we get is 2.5 है. मतलब 14 is 7 2s are. And 7 2.5s is 17.5. So 1 mark at 0, 1 mark at 17.5. And then make a mark at every 2.5. So 2.5 पे किया, 5 पे किया, 7.5, 10, 12.5, 15 and 17.5. This way you have 7 equal columns and I'm going to take 3 lines as each box. So 5 3s are 15. 15 lines we are going to cover here. Personally you may feel like कि measure करने की क्या ज़रूरत है, we can just randomly draw it. But honestly जितना equal और जितना symmetrical रहेगा ना, it will be more pleasing to the eye and you will feel much more organized. That's why we're measuring everything out. And I'm using a marker because on the camera the pens are not very visible, but you can easily use colorful pens like these and they're only for 5 rupees. This one is the Checkmate Gold X. And you get many different colors in it, so you can totally use that. Now what we will do is write down the days. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Now we can start by filling in the date. So 1st Feb was a Sunday. Okay, so I made a mistake. 1st Feb was actually a Saturday, but मैंने गलती से Sunday में लिख दिया. So you can totally use a whitener, but I actually don't have a whitener. So the best way is cancellation के लिए ना उस पर color नहीं करने का. That looks much more ugly. So just make 1 line and leave it there. Exams में भी अगर कुछ गलत लिखा है, so don't color over it. Just make 1 line and leave it there. So let's start again. Saturday. Because the more information you put in a smaller area, the more it will confuse you. So just put the subjects on this grid. For example, if on 25th you have the math exam, just write that. You should definitely use short form so that it's more clear. Now the main reason why I like to make it in a grid form is, जैसे ही exam खत्म हो जाए, first thing you should do is come back and cross it. When you do that, you get a sense of accomplishment कि अरे वाह एक एग्जाम खत्म ही हो गया और अभी सिर्फ इतने बाकी है, and you also feel proud of yourself कि I have made it successfully through one exam very well. So this feeling of achievement will come only if you keep cancelling out as and when your exams get over. It's also a great motivational factor. एग्जाम देने के बाद आप रुकोगे कि कभी घर पे आके मैं इसको क्रॉस कर सकता हूँ. Now this is method number 1. Method number 2 is much more simpler. For method number 2, all that you have to do is write down the date and the subject. इसमें एक फ़ायदा क्या हो जाता है कि इफ़ देयर इज अ हॉलीडे बिटवीन 2 एग्जाम्स लाइक 29 फेब के बाद सपोज सीधा 3rd मार्च को है, तो यहाँ पे आपको डायरेक्टली दिख जाएगा कि अच्छा 2 दिन का छुट्टी है, वर्सेस यहाँ पे आपको मार्किंग करना पड़ेगा ऐसा कुछ कि यू हैव 2 days वैसे करके. बट मेक श्योर यू डेफिनेटली मेक अ टाइम टेबल लाइक दिस बिकॉज दैट इज गोइंग टू मेक योर लाइफ मच ईजियर. Do remember to always give titles to your pages. For example, जब भी एग्जाम्स का टाइम हो, try to keep everything more simple and more clear. यूजुअली ऐसे काफ़ी डेकोरेटिव फॉन्ट्स भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हो, बट जब भी एग्जाम का टाइम रहता है ना, try to avoid all this because this will give you much more clarity. Now let's move on to how to decide the portion. For the portion, first things first, subject को clear heading दे दो. For deciding the portion, मैं हमेशा 3 अलग कलर के पेन यूज़ करती थी. The red pen would always be for the most important chapters that I need to do. Always leave lines because the more space you have created on your page, the more systematic it looks. Even during your exam, जब भी आप कोई नया head point शुरू करते हो उसमें lines छोड़ना because you always get a booklet. So even if you're going to save paper and try to save lines, in the end वो पूरा booklet जाने ही वाला है. So try to use the most amount of space in the most smart way possible. So red would always be for the most important chapters जो कोई हाल में छोड़ना नहीं है, करना ही करना है. Then green color would be for those chapters जो मुझे अच्छे से आते हैं and almost हो ही गए जैसे chapters है, जो पीरियड के टाइम पे हमने ध्यान दिया है या अच्छे से आ गए थे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरे क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस हमेशा से काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग रहे हैं, तो मैं एग्जाम के टाइम पे क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस पे ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड नहीं करती थी, बस फॉर्मूले देख लेती थी और 1-2 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लेती थी. And the last color would be for those chapters जो अगर ऑप्शन में छोड़ा तो चल जाएगा. Like since I would do triangles, I would probably leave circles out. So this is how I would make my portion का schedule. अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसे कलर कोडिंग कर रहे हो तो पेज के नीचे always make an index कि कौन से कलर का क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है. Now when you're studying in advance for your exam, at that time do not cancel out the chapters when they are done. हर एक सब्जेक्ट के लिए ना साइड में 3 कॉलम बनाने हैं. The first column is for the first time that you're reading it. The second column is for finally जब कर लिया chapter, and the third one is for the revision. So whenever you're studying in advance, always put a tick mark over here and don't cancel this out, so that whenever you're going to do the final revision, you still have it clear कि exactly portion कितना है. Only once your final time is also done and आप exam के on the way इसको वापस पढ़ रहे हो, तभी जाके you should start cancelling out your chapters. उसके पहले मत करना. Now there's a second way to also organize your portion and that is to understand कि कौन से chapter में से exactly क्या पढ़ता है. This technique is called mapping, MAPPING. इसमें ना कोई measurement की ज़रूरत नहीं है, इसमें you can totally freehand this out. Let's assume that the first chapter is called food and then इसमें you can further bifurcate into fill in the blanks and match the following. इसमें से शायद सिर्फ इतना ही आने वाला होगा. So this is the most important thing to do. If your chapter 2 is materials, you can further divide it into 3 parts. True or false, short notes and brief answers. Whichever chapter is very important. For example, waste generation and management was very important. तो उस पर आप स्टार मार्क कर सकते हो कि ये फुल चैप्टर करना है, इट्स द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट चैप्टर. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन ईजिली अंडरस्टैंड कि कौन से चैप्टर का कितना इंपॉर्टेंस है एंड उस अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन सेट दी ऑर्डर. So this is all the planning that I used to do during my exam time. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you need any more tips about exams कि how to manage your time या क्या खाना चाहिए या what stationery should you take to your exams, then let me know in the comment section below and I will make a video on that. And do subscribe for more such videos. I'll see you very soon. Until then, goodbye.